Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. So we are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. Okay, shipping is available across India and worldwide also. Okay, we right now using DTDC, Delivery and French Express for all the dispatches. Okay, so the shipping charges will be 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra to the product and the shipping cost per order. Okay, 100 rupees extra per order. So today I have some silk linen sarees. Okay, all of them are Arani collections. Okay, all of them are priced at 850 rupees. The quality will be very good. It will be exact replica of the silk when you wear. All of them are simple sarees. Okay, it won't have much zari work. All of them are very simple sarees but very nice sarees. I will go with the sarees. Okay, now just a minute. Okay, so yeah, so all of them are very simple sarees. Okay, all of them are silk replicas. Arani collections priced at 850 rupees, shipping extra. So this is the first saree. You won't have much zari works in the pallus. Okay, you will be having a simple buttas in gold or silver work. Okay, a very tiny buttas all over the saree, and the border will be coming a contrast for this collections. Okay, for this saree it's coming contrast, and you have the buttas and the pallu in the borders as well. Okay, very tiny buttas in the body part, and the borders also has a buttas. For this saree you have the gold and the silver alternating in both ends. Okay, this is the saree color. Okay, it's a mehendi green color with a purplish violet colored border. Okay, and the pallu. So this is the first one, priced at 850 rupees, and you have the contrast blouse. The quality is very good. You will be getting the actual silk feel in this collections. Okay, so all in the body part, okay, you have the tiny buttas in you have the space coming. Okay, in the down part, as the saree goes after 3 meters, you will be having some spaces in the buttas. So this is the first collection, mehendi green with purple, price at 850 rupees, shipping is extra. A very premium quality silk. Okay, these are silk blend collections. A very simple saree but gives you a very rich look. So this is the next one, a peach with pink combination. So this is the body part. Okay, a peach with pink combination with thread woven buttas, small buttas coming in the saree, and you have the it will be very soft. Okay, the saree fabric will be very soft, exact replica of the silk. Okay, so this is the body part. As the body goes, okay, you will be having the spaces between the buttas. Okay, the space will be there between the buttas as the saree goes after some 2.5 meters, 3 meters. So this is the pallu. Okay, you have the striped pallu, a chick kind of a thing, and you have the running blouse in this saree. So my WhatsApp number is 9150556870. Please take the screenshots and for all the orders and enquiries. So I will show you the body part again. Okay, you have the thread woven butta here. Okay, alternately green and pink colorish butta here in the body part. So the next one is a sandal with pink. Okay, baby pink, a beige colored sandal, a sandal color with baby pink combination with gold and silver zaris, buttas given in the body part. Okay, a tiny buttas given in the body part. The saree fabric is very good. Okay, so this is the body part. Okay, a beige with baby pink combination, and this will be the pallu, a normal chick pallu. Okay, along with small buttas coming as like in the body part, and you have the blouse coming contrast. Okay, so this is the next one. So all over the saree you have the buttas, except that as the saree goes after some 2 to 3 meters, 2.5 to 3 meters, the butta space between the buttas will be a little high. Okay, so now you can see the buttas is coming closer, right? So as the saree goes, the spaces will be little higher. So this is the one, beach with pink. All the sarees are priced at 850 rupees. Shipping is extra. The fabric is silk blend or art silk or semi silk, whatever you can call. Okay, the next one is a lovely orange with purple shade. A very lovely color. So this is the butta you have, and the border you have the designs. Okay, a lovely orange with purple shade. This will give you a exact silk feel. Okay, the fabric will give you the exact silk feel. So this is the pallu, a simple pallu, and the blouse piece coming running. Okay, this is the blouse piece. You have the running blouse piece and the sarees. Okay. So this is the entire look of the saree. The buttas will be there all over the saree. Just in the down part, you will be having the buttas in spaces. Okay, you won't have the closer buttas in the saree as the saree goes downwards. Okay, so this is the next one. COD available across India. COD processing charges is 100 rupees extra applicable. So this is the next one, a checked type. Okay, it's a shell white with black combination. So this is the next one. It's a half white with black combination. Okay, with small buttas coming in between. A checked type. Okay, along with a jhumka and parrot coming in the border part, and this is the pallu, or normal chick pallu with the checked blouse. Okay, you have the, sorry, not checked, a striped blouse, alternating color. Okay, so this is a half white with black combination in a checked type. The fabric will be very good. All of them are priced at 850 rupees, shipping extra. So the next is the same pattern with yellow, black and olive green together. So this is the body part. Okay, in the border you have the full peacock design. And you have a small tiny buttas in between the checks. And yellow, mango yellow, black with olive green. And the shade and the pallu and the blouse comes with the black and olive green shade. Okay, this is the blouse piece. Okay, in the blouse piece also you have a small one peacock butta. You can keep it in the sleeve part. So this is the pallu part. Okay, it's a olive green shade. And the blouse piece and the saree. Okay, and mango yellow with olive green and black together. So this is how the body part of the saree will be looking. Okay, so I'm moving with the next one. So the next one, yellow and green shade. So with purple tone. So this is the next saree. Okay, here the black is not coming. Okay, the yellow, that one is mango yellow. This one is what to say, a sand chandana yellow solvanga. So that's the yellow here. Okay, so this is the blouse piece and the body part. Okay, you have the buttas in the bodies as well, but for every sari in the top part you will be having the closer buttas, but as the sari goes downwards the buttas will have the spaces. Okay, so you have the butta here, and after some space you will be having the buttas here. Okay, like that it will be there. So this is the next sari. Okay, giving pink pallu and pink blouse with lines and checks. So this is the next one, a light green shade, a parrot green with purplish pink combination. So this is the body part with full thread woven body, and this is the pallu. Okay, it won't, these sarees won't have much zari works. Okay, but the look will be very, very nice. This is the pallu, and you have the contrast pink blouse piece. Okay, all over the saree you have the thread wovens. Okay, all of them are thread woven. The full saree looks like this. The quality will be very, very good. It's all the exact silk replicas. The fabric silk blend or art silk or semi silk, whatever you can call. So this is the next saree, the same design. The other two colors I will show you now. So I will quickly walk through because the design is going to be the same. So the next one is a bottle green color, a dark green with purple combination. So the design is same, just the color is different. Okay, so this is the body part, a dark green with purple, the same kind of thread, but the design will be a little different. Okay, even on the, okay, so the pallu and the blouse piece. Okay, so this is the next one. And this is the last, a sky blue with green combination, a different and lovely combination with a pink pallu. Okay, so this is the body part, a lovely color combo, and the blouse also comes in the pink shade with blue stripes in the pallu. Okay, so this is the next saree. So all the sarees are priced at 850 rupees. Shipping charges is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. Okay, COD available across India. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra per order. Okay, so these are the collections I have for today. Please like my page and follow my page so that you can see all the real updates. In real video, I will explain you more details than in the pictures. So please like my page and follow. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.